comfortable work environment. Volkan skid loader with air conditioning and smart rear camera. Tired of working in the heat? Say goodbye to uncomfortable work conditions. The Volkan skid loader comes equipped with powerful air conditioning, keeping you cool even in the hottest summer. Perfect visibility, even in tight spaces, with a smart rear camera. Reversing is no longer a challenge. A skid loader with both air conditioning and a rear camera? Now heavy equipment can be both comfortable and safe. Contact us today.